Welcome to our Design Online tool. We're excited to guide you through the easy-to-use online designer available in certain products like business cards, flyers, and more. Begin by choosing the attributes you want for your print project. Navigate to the Artwork Services tab where you'll find the Design Online tool. When you open the tool, a blank canvas awaits you. On the left-hand side, you'll find various tools at your disposal. You can upload images, input text, and incorporate shapes, backgrounds, and patterns. To begin, simply click Upload, or drag and drop your files onto the screen. You can upload images straight from your device. If you have a logo that you would like to use, we recommend using a transparent PNG. For shapes, use the panel on the right-hand side to adjust fill color, stroke, and positioning. With the text tool, choose from a range of pre-installed fonts and make adjustments as needed. You can adjust things like the font size and the colors. Once your design is complete, you can use the 3D preview on the right-hand panel to preview your design. Rotate the canvas if necessary using your mouse. For double-sided artworks, switch between sides to continue designing. If you choose a single-sided artwork to print, you will only be able to design on one side. Once satisfied, review your design using the 3D model on the right-hand side, or simply use the pre-made mock-ups that are below. You can save these if you wish to send them to your client. Click Review and Confirm to generate the artwork, which will be stored on the web page. After ensuring all selections are in order, add your project to the basket and proceed to print. And that's it! We hope you enjoy designing with our Design Online tool.